Hey, it's Kevin with K&D Auto Spa again. Here we're doing a Porsche Panamera. We are going to paint the calipers today. Right now they are a grayish silver, all dirty and yucky. We're gonna paint them a nice bright glossy red. We'll show you what they look like through the wheels and without the wheels on when we get done doing them. Here's what they look like right now. That's the rear brake. Now we'll go up to the front. That's what they look like now. We'll show you what they look like when we're done. So we got the everything all prepped up. We got it cleaned. We used the brake cleaner for most of it, wiped it down. Then I take 70% alcohol, spray it on, wipe it down again. That gives us a nice clean surface for the paint to stick to. Taped it all off. Anything that we didn't want to get red. Got all 4 calipers cleaned, prepped, and taped off, and now we're getting ready to paint. All right, so now we're gonna paint the calipers. I like to turn the wheels out, and we can see a lot better right on the front of the caliper. We'll show you when we paint it. We're gonna do 1 coat first, and then we go back through and we do a 2nd coat. So every caliper gets 2 coats. The first coat's really... There you go. We got the first coat on. As you saw, I turned the wheel again so I can get the inside of the caliper a lot easier. Big thing is when you're painting the first coat, make sure there's no drips. We got the first coat on all 4 wheels now. Now we'll wait, probably wait another half an hour. It took me about a half hour to do all 4. Another half hour, I'd start back on that first one and we can do a final coat. You can tell how the coverage wasn't that great. I'll zoom in here. But so there we go. We got all 4 calipers done with 2 coats. We haven't taken the tape off yet, but we'll wait for that for a little bit longer until it's dry to the touch. All right, we got all the tape off. We're all set now. Two last things we got to do is put some stickers on here that say Porsche and replace the wheels. Here, I'll zoom in for you so you can take a quick look and see what they look like. All right, so we're back the next day. Yesterday, the paint just was not dry enough to put stickers on. All we got left to do is put the wheels on. All right, so here's the finished product with the red calipers compared to the...